doing? The taxi is coming soon!
I am packing, Daisy. But the suitcase is too small. It won't close.
It is not too small. You packed too much. Repeat. I packed too much.
I packed too much.
A rubber duck? Kevin, do you really need a giant duck? You only need essentials. 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 Say it with me. Essentials.
Let's pack together. T-shirts, pants, and socks. Only essentials.
Good job. The suitcase is closed. We are ready. Wait. Before we leave, we must check our documents. Do you have your passport? Oh. Where is your passport? That is a sandwich, Kevin. That is not a passport. Here they are. Passports. Please repeat. I have my passport. Passports and tickets. Tickets are on the phone. Electronic tickets.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, I have my ticket.
Great. We have everything. Let's go to the airport.
The taxi is here. We are taking a taxi to the airport. Be careful, Kevin. The suitcase is heavy.
Heavy suitcase. Heavy ho!
Heavy.
Okay, it is in the trunk.
Buckle up. Safety first. We are on our way.
Are you excited, Daisy?
Yes, but Kevin, are we late? No, we are on time. Next stop, the airport.
We have arrived at the airport. Look at the sign. Departures.
Wow. Departures means we are leaving. Repeat. Departures.
Departures.
Goodbye, taxi.
Let's go inside the terminal.
Welcome to the airport terminal. It is very big.
Wow. So many people. Where is our airline?
Check the flight board. We need to find our check-in counter. There it is. Flight 123. Counter B. Follow me to counter B.
My suitcase is squeaky. Sorry. Coming through.
Here is the check-in counter. Put your bag on the scale. Oh no! The limit is 23 kilograms. It is overweight. Don't panic. Just take something heavy out. Take out your jacket.
Okay. I will wear my jacket.
Take.
I am wearing my jacket.
Look. 22 kilograms. It is under the limit. Perfect. We checked the bag.
Now we have our boarding passes.
Look at the boarding pass. Gate 42. Seat 12A. Don't lose it.
Now we must go through security. There is a long line.
Empty your pockets. Put your phone and keys in the tray.
Phone, keys, wallet, and shoes off.
Shoes off. Electronics out. Laptop must be in a separate bin. Walk through the metal detector. No beep. I am safe.
Oh no! Why is it beeping?
Kevin, you forgot your belt. Take off your belt.
No beep.
No!
I made it. Security check is done.
Put your shoes back on. Let's find our gate.
We are inside the terminal. Look at the airplanes outside.
Woo! Wow. Use the moving walkway. It is faster. Don't run, Kevin. Which way to gate 42? Follow the signs. Follow the arrows. Gate 42 is to the right. Turn right here.
I am thirsty.
I need water.
Can we buy water?
Duty-free shop. They sell candy, perfume, and water. $5 for water? That is expensive.
Oh, buy the water.
You need to stay hydrated.
Hydrated.
Fresh water. Much better. What time is it?
It is 10:30. Boarding starts soon. We must hurry. Let's hurry. Run to the gate. Gate 42.
We found it! Gate 42!
We are here. Sit down. We wait for the announcement. Wait for boarding.
My battery is low. I need to charge my phone.
Announcement. Flight 123 is now boarding.
Did you hear that? Now boarding.
Let's get in line. Have your boarding pass ready.
Scan your ticket. Beep. You are cleared.
We are walking down the jet bridge. Almost on the plane.
Hello. Welcome aboard. Walk down the aisle.
Row 10.
Row 10.
Row 11.
Where is row 12? Here is row 12. Seats A and B. This is us. Wait, Kevin. Ticket 12A is window. Ticket 12B is aisle. Which one is yours? Oh,
Oh,
I am 12B. I have the aisle seat.
you have the window seat.
Put your bag in the overhead bin or under the seat. Finally sitting down.
Finally sitting down.
The seat is comfortable. Fasten your seatbelt. Click. Make it tight. We are ready for takeoff. Turn off your phone. Airplane mode on. No internet now. Watch the safety demonstration. Oxygen mask and life vest. We are moving! Taxiing to the runway.
Here we go. The plane is going faster.
We are taking off. Up, up, up.
Wow! Look at the view! We are flying in the sky!
The seatbelt sign is off. You can relax now.
Tray table down.
I am hungry again.
Here comes the food cart.
Here comes the food cart.
Would you like a drink?
Orange juice, please. And some peanuts. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Turbulence. Hold your drink, Kevin. That was scary, but the juice is safe.
So, Daisy, how long is this flight? When do we arrive?
It is a short flight. Only 2 hours. We arrive soon.
I am sleepy. I will take a nap.
Sleep well, Kevin. Shh. Shh. Be quiet. Time passes. The sun is setting.
Announcement. Ladies and gentlemen.
We are landing.
Huh?
Are we there?
Put your tray table up. Put your seat up. We are landing.
Okay, ready for landing. Look at the ground.
We are descending, getting lower and lower.
Touchdown! We have landed!
Wait. Keep your seatbelt on until the plane stops completely.
Now we can stand up. Let's get our bags.
Ouch! Careful with the overhead bin!
We are off the plane. Welcome to our destination.
Baggage claim. We need to find my red suitcase. There it is. My red suitcase. I see it. Got it. Heavy suitcase. I have everything.
Let's go out.
Exit.
Exit. Arrival hall.
That was a great trip. I learned so much.
Let's review. Passport. Ticket. Check-in.
Security. Belt off. No water.
Boarding pass.
Gate. Seatbelt. Takeoff.
Landing. Baggage claim. Arrival.
And don't forget the rubber duck.
You are ready to fly now.
How?
Have a safe trip. Goodbye. See you next time.
Subscribe for more English adventures.
Music fades out.